We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something buried deep inside us, the major and the minor were like piano keys. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. Couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves. But I'm stuck inside a feeling, a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me.
Waiting for the call. Will it ever come at all? Hours wasted spent scrolling back through my phone. Tired of waiting for your call. Is it all over? No more forever? Have all the ashes come and gone? My mind is racing through all the memories. Is that all they are now? It's been so long. So thanks to you, my friend. Tell me, is this the end? Have I got nothing left tonight to show? Tonight to show. Waiting all my life. Maybe now's the time to try. For too long I stood back, hiding deep down inside. Maybe now's my time to shine. Is it all over? No more forever? Have all the ashes come and gone? My mind is racing through all the memories. Is that all they are now? It's been so long. So thanks to you, my friend. Tell me, is this the end? Have I got nothing left tonight to show? Tonight to show. Waiting for the call.
so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. The shadow rises and I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my heart away. I recognize the powers as they rally, call the names, I break them one by one and face to face. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. Won't surrender, not tonight. Won't surrender, not tonight.
You sit there with that look on your face like you won. Like nothing that I say's gonna change how you feel now. You sit there and you tell me you fell out of love. And we are in your way, so you just gotta leave now. And we just need to understand your reasons. And you are gonna justify this treason for telling me the promises that we swore ain't enough. So now you're gonna be another person. And how do I explain this shit to our son? How'd you tell a total about a girlfriend that he's gone?
Well, I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and I will be there when he needs your love, strong enough. Don't worry, I will carry your shit for us, no matter how bad the storm. I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and we'll leave you alone.
You sit there with your phone in your hands and you're hurt. You tell me that you feel like you lost me when he came.